2011 Grand Marquis. The Grand Marquis offers the roomiest interior and the most spacious trunk in its class. The class-exclusive standard V8 engine delivers 224 horsepower and can run on a unique blend of gasoline and ethanol, E85. It's also the only car in its class to receive the government's highest 5-star front crash test rating 15 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, leather seats, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, tilt steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.